Hey guys, every week I take you guys to taste some delicious Thai food. But today, let's try cooking our own. Before we start cooking, right now we are at the community. They're demonstrating safety features and stuff. So let's take a look. The firefighter, the one with the very dirty suit, is teaching the community how to handle with fire. Right now they are doing a demonstration, and these are all volunteers of the community. Whoa! Scary! Woo. So that fireball was exciting, and we learned a lot today. A lot about the different extinguisher and the different chemicals that were used inside, and all the community learned a lot, especially the volunteers. They get to learn firsthand about firefighting with the firefighters.
Okay, let's cook some Gang Som cha om kai. Gang Som is a very common food. It has a sour and spicy taste. You can say it's even more common than tom yum goong. Start with washing the papaya with some salt water. You can leave it in the salt water about half an hour. Then boil with fresh water until soft. Prepare the dry chili, red onion, and then the gachai or finger root. Tamarind with some warm water, make sure it's not lumpy. Now the prawns go diving while we mix everything together. Don't forget the grapi shrimp paste. You can definitely get this at the Thai food aisle. A dab of sugar and some chicken stock. Round it goes. Where it stops, the coconut sugar nose, some fish sauce, and then our papaya. Now, my favorite part, ao cha om, or climbing wattle. No, don't let those trim heads go to waste. Deep fry them. Fried garlic, fried chili, oyster sauce, or you can also use soy sauce. And then our spring onions.
And there we have it, our two dishes for today. We have this stir-fried chili prawn, and we also have Gaeng Som cha om. And the other one is sour curry with climbing wattle. So cha om, that's what Mr. Google said. I really love this cha om. It's almost like an omelet, but you have this vegetable flavor that is crunchy in it. Beautiful. And when you bite in it, you have everything. You have this crunchy feeling of the vegetable and this soft, fluffy egg, the spices that comes from the sour curry paste. Now let's try the prawns. The smell of the paste, the stir-fried chili really makes everything blend in together. Awesome. So this is a very simple menu that you can do at home. simple ingredients, and it's one of the Thai traditional food that we always cook at home. So I encourage you to try it out. So don't forget, subscribe and share. And if you like it, give me a thumbs up. Or if you have a comment, where would you like us to go next time? Or what kind of menu that we should explore? Let me know then. See you guys next time. Delicious.